Okay folks, welcome to the personal property tour for 66 Lawview in Leven. This is an amazing 5-bedroom, 2-reception, 4-bathroom detached property, finished in extremely high standard, ready to move in basically. Built about 5 years ago by Campaign Homes, so it's got a real good build quality. It's on a fantastic location as well, in a cul-de-sac, so it's off the thoroughfare. You come in from the road just in there and you've got your own exclusive area with a few other properties into your own property right there. This is a big plot, you can see that straight away, can't you? And the sun is just hiding behind the clouds and it's basically on this bit all the time. You can see that. I mean, the gardens are actually beautiful here, and they've got the monoblock drive here and these beautiful wrought iron gates. Garage to the side, which gives you, obviously if you've got a car there, most people don't keep the car, lots of storage in the garage, workshop to the rear if you need it, and there's a lot of turning space here as well. I had my car in there, easily turned back into there and drove right out down there, so it's perfect for that as well. And a great area, nice and enclosed if you've got a family, and it's all fenced in as well. You can get access to the front or the rear, depending on how you look at it, around that area, but we're going to see there as we go anyway. So let's go on the tour and then I'll talk about the area for anybody that doesn't know the area. By the way, check out the drone footage for the Leven coastal path. I've got a run along the beach and you can see it. Composite door as soon as you come in, storage off to the side. One of the things that this house has got, it's got plenty of storage inside, all the way throughout. They don't make houses like that anymore with plenty of storage, but this one's certainly got it. So we're going to go upstairs first of all, we'll come downstairs and then we'll end up out the back again where they first started, and I'll talk to everybody about what's on offer in the area itself. Okay, so immediately off to my side here, we've got the first double bedroom, so built-in wardrobes. The great thing is a lot of them have got built-in wardrobes and cupboards as we come round. So good sized room. And then in here we've got your ensuite shower room. Thermostatic shower, as you'll see, nicely finished. The next double bedroom, currently utilised as a home office, as you can see. Easily get a double bed in there, to be honest. And then you've got, again, a cupboard for storage in here as well. Cupboard in here for storage, cupboard in there for storage. Remember what I said about storage? You can't have enough storage in a house. You're always needing it. So bathroom up here as well. But you've got 2 ensuite bedrooms, so you've got showers in these. And then into the next double bedroom in here. So good sized double bedroom, again mirror built-in wardrobes. And then the next final double bedroom up here, you've got the built-in mirror wardrobes again as we go round. Easily fit a king size in there if you've got a king size, probably even a super king to be honest. And then you've got your ensuite shower room. Nicely finished, I'm sure you would agree. Sneak peek out the back. Again, where we came in. See what I mean about the size of the plot here? It's pretty big. Pretty big. It's going to be a fantastic family home for someone. And let's pop downstairs. A nice big reception hall this. Then off to my left hand side. So a good size living room here as we go all the way around. As you'll see. Plenty of space for your furniture, you can see that already, and then it overlooks the front garden. So again, as I said, you've got family, all nicely enclosed for them. You've got pets, it's nicely enclosed as well. Perfect opportunity there. Let's just zoom out a bit from here and see the living room from a different angle. And then as we pop back into the dining room to the rear, patio doors going out there. Lots of space inside here. You've got the pocket doors either side, so you can get your furniture right up against here. And that's the huge advantage of having pocket doors in here. And then just look from a different angle. And then off into your dining kitchen. Now you can get access to the dining kitchen from the hall as well, but we've decided to come in this way. Understairs storage, utility room, space for a washing machine and a dryer, and you've got your sink there as well. Out to the rear garden. It sits in the sun all the day, that's why. Look at these beautiful blue skies as we go around. Nice big space. As we come back on here. Lovely, isn't it? And then that gate to the side going in. Okay, so let's pop in the door and then we'll go on a tour for the dining kitchen. I'll let you see that. So a good sized dining kitchen in here, nicely finished. You can see plenty of space for table and chairs. Now, just as we go around, you've got a dishwasher integrated into here, you've got a hob and extractor, and then as we come round over this way, plenty of worktop space all the way around. You've got the double oven, Bosch double oven there, and you've got your fridge and your freezer. Nicely finished flooring as well, might I say. And then further into this is the Jack and Jill shower room downstairs. So you can see that there. You've got the shower there and the WC and the sink. You've got a doorway going off into your bedroom. So another bedroom here, or it could be repurposed another room if you want. Maybe a family room, playroom, depending on what you're wanting to utilise it for, but essentially a fifth bedroom. Let's go out the front again and just recap about the area and the property itself. Beautiful, isn't it? But it's nice and, I would say it's nice and private, personally for me. I would like it here, love it here. Okay, so let's recap. 5 bedroom, 2 reception, 4 bathroom, detached property, finished at a high standard, built by Campaign Homes, which is a real good build quality as well. About 5 years old, so perfect opportunity for a family to move into. Not really anything to do, just move in, press play and go, I suppose. That's the answer to that. And then you've got this good size plot as well, and then the cul-de-sac you're actually located in out of this estate itself. Okay, so it has easy access along the coast if you want to get along to the East Neuk, but let's talk about Leven. So the main thoroughfare, it's near the Leven Glen, so if running or walking's your thing, or you've got pets, you want to take them, a dog, and you want to take it down or walk at Leven Glen, it's easy access into there. A lot of people do that. Then you can go further on to the Cafe, the Bistro and Restaurant. Some of them, Agenda is close by, which is a great pub and restaurant. And then you've got further into the High Street, you've got all the amenities in there. You go down to the bottom of the High Street, you've got the bus station. Across from there, you've got the swimming pool and sports complex. And then at the back of that, you've got the Levenmouth train station. Now that's due June of 2024, which is soon, if not now, whenever you're watching this video. And then this gives you access. The great thing about the train station, it actually gives you access directly into Waverley Station in Edinburgh. Yes, directly into Waverley train station in Edinburgh. So I'll be using it quite a lot, by the way. So easy access into there, which is a wonderful opportunity for us. Now, further along, that's located on the Fife Coastal Path, so you can walk around right along the Fife Coastal Path. You can walk right along the Leven Beach as well, and check out the location footage on the Leven Beach and the Fife Coastal Path on here. You'll get an opportunity as well to see the Leven Links golf course when you go further along on that drone footage as well. But it's beautiful golden sandy beaches. And when the sun comes out, it is absolutely glorious. A great lifestyle choice at a great price point as well. If you need more details about this, click on the link above or below. If you need to message us and contact us, you can message us direct on this post, or you can contact us on 01 333 421 774. Until next time, guys, I'm Jim Parker for Fife Properties TV.